They're not as huge as a house, but rather they cost about the equivalent. With the Rolls-Royce Cullinan at long last official, we'd thought we'd investigate the absolute most costly and absurd SUVs at any point offered to the pane open. These consolidate rich extravagance with similarly affluent sticker prices. Every SUV here is novel, with its very own qualities, appeal, and reason. Some are intended to be driven while others are intended for you to be driven in them. Those are two unique missions. We most likely missed a costly irregular someplace along the historical backdrop of the vehicle, however these here should satisfy your extravagant tastes. In this way, look at 13 of the most costly SUVs ever.